How to make your avatar on Facebook. Recently, Mark Zuckerberg has an interview inside the metaverse using his own avatar. So I would assume that this avatar thing is going to be very huge. And yes, you can create this avatar or make your avatar on Facebook. And I believe moving forward, this might be one of the way to communicate. So without further ado, let's jump into the app itself. So this is the Facebook app, and next you click on the top right button, and then you can scroll all the way down. You can see the avatars. If it's not appearing here, because I just recently created my avatar, that's why it is at the top. If it is not here, you can just click on see more, and more options will come out, and then you can click on avatar. Okay, now just click on avatars. So for myself, I've already created my avatar, so it looks quite similar to me, and there's a lot of options you can play with it. You can make a post with your face there. You can try a new outfit. You can browse the stickers, so you just click on here. You can see all the stickers that you can use. You can make a profile picture as well, but yeah, I still prefer to use my own face for now. You can show off your avatar, so you can create a new post and things like that. Yeah, so you can see there's a few things you can do. Now let's just go to how to edit your avatar. You can click on the edit sign on the top right, or you can just click edit avatar at the bottom. Now there's many ways you can edit. Well, it is June, so it is Pride month, so that's why you see Pride related outfits. So you can see that there's a lot of ways you can edit your avatar. Your skin tone, your hairstyle, your color of your hair, your face shape, your eye shape, the eye makeup, eyebrow, etc. So there's a lot of options here that you can play around, which make it as close as possible to look like you, or you want to be someone else is totally fine. Because even in games, you are playing a different character, different avatar. Well, you can do different things here as well, I guess. So there's one option here as well when you click on the picture here. So you can take picture and record video. So you just allow. Then you can see, then you can compare yourself. Alright, how does it look like? Yeah, my face is quite round, but anyway, yeah. So when it's done, it's here. So you can share to newsfeed, etc. But yeah, so I'm not sharing it right now. So that's how easily you can create avatar, your own avatar using Facebook. And for now, you can only do this using your mobile phone. You can't do it with a computer yet, and I guess they have a good reason for that. So just try it in your mobile app, in the Facebook mobile app. And you can even use it on your posts, on your stickers, etc. So it is quite fun. So just do try it out and have fun with it, okay? If you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.